As I was saying, Bafethu, thank you so much for my interactions. Kulama interviews umuntu ekade wenza. Namanje Bafethu siyabonga ngalonto. Yeah. Bafethu feedback umuntu ayithola inkulu kakhulu, you know. Yabo nje izolo after interview engibenayo okhosini, I think ngithole abantu aba more than 10 abebe suicidal becela usizo abanye beveza ukuthi mfethu bayithokozelile ingxoxo esibenayo okhosini. So I just want to thank Ukhozi for that, Bafethu, for opening ama platforms anjengalawo ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukukhuluma nabantu besilisa. Ama-topics esisuke siwadingida Bafethu abaluleke kakhulu. According to ama-statistics ase-South Africa, about 78% of abantu abasuke beyibulele kusuka kwabantu besilisa. Okusho ukuthi abantu abawu-10 makuthiwa khona abantu abawu-10 abasuke beyibulele, abawu-8 balabo bantu kusuke kwabantu besilisa. So ingxoxo kanjena-ke ingakho Bafethu sohlezi ibalulekile ngoba akuyona nje into umuntu esuke yenza ngoba engenaso isikhathi, uyenza kodwa ngoba kuyinto ebalulekile. Sifuna ukusiza nomphakathi. Namhlanje ngizozama ukuthi ngibe mfishane. Khona incwadi engeke ngayifunda ethi Wild at Heart by uJohn Eldridge. Le ncwadi lena uJohn Eldridge usuke ekhuluma ngabantu besilisa and the importance of abantu besilisa ukuthi bangayikhohlwa iposition yabo ekubeni tough but with good hearts. Khona into ayishoyo lana kwenye chapter usuke ekhuluma ngobuhlungu abona ngenkathi efika kwizoo ebona ibhubesi. Uthi uma ebona ibhubesi likwi-cage kwaba nalokho ukuthi it's not the environment efanele for ibhubesi. Ibhubesi is designed to be out there in nature, in the wild, chasing, inyamazane and all that. That is what we are designed for as abantu besilisa. Not to destroy, but kube ukuthi siyakha, siney'nhliziyo ezinhle, but singabe sesiba ntekenteke. Enye into azakhulume ngayo uJohn Eldridge kule ncwadi yakhe Wild at Heart. Ukhala ngayo lama-portrait atholakala esontweni la uJesu evezwe njengomuntu ontekenteke. Ungazi ukuthi umuntu weak uma umbuka. But uma echaza nature kaJesu uthi uJesus was not like that in true nature, le ndaba okuvezwa ngazuthi weak umuntu wesifazane. So not ukuthi abantu besifazane ba weak, but leyo nto leyo uthi ayikho right and it's not good. So namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma nje kabanzi ngengxoxo ethinta abantu besilisa nokukhulisa ingane zabafana. Obviously ingane engiyikhulisayo zisancane, but I'm sure ukuthi ngingakwazi uqala i-discussion ezokwenza laba sebemkatshubomvu bagxumele kwi-discussion, bakhomente, basicije. Khona elinye ivesi engilithandayo eBhayibhelini lithi kungcono umbusi osemncane okwazi ukuthatha i-instruction than an old king ongasakwazi ukuthatha i-instruction. Okusho ukuthi nawe ngisho usukhulile kufanele ukwazi ukuthatha i-instruction. Kwesinye isikhathi ezinye izinto ungayifunda ngisho kubantu abasebancane. Mina angisiyo umuntu onolwazi olukhulu, but I tend to be able to ukwazi ukuvusa inyamazane, ukuraise ama-topics ukwenza abantu ba-engage, Ngiyakhumbula ngelinye ilanga ngiyokhuluma nje kwenye indawo nabantu besilisa ababesebancane. Enye insizwa yakhaliswa ukuthi yona ikhula ingenayo ubaba, and ukhula ubaba engekho egcekeni kwama-affecta ngoba ukhule no-aunti, nogogo, nomama, 3 women around him, no male, 3 women around him, akekho umuntu wesilisa. Uthi lokho-ke i-challenge enkulu ngakho labantu besifazane akhule nabo bekuthi kancane kancane uma bekhala bakhale kalula. Every time kune-argument sebeyakhala, naye-ke kwamenza ukuthi nje ayithole umuntu wesilisa okhala kalula. Singasho ukuthi ku-wrong ukuthi umuntu wesilisa abekwazi ukuyi-expressa ngokukhala, kodwa kuba inkinga uma ukuthi nje awusakwazi ukuyi-control ama-emotions akho, usuvesane ubihlike nje isinoma kanjani ube umuntu wesilisa. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kuney'ngqinamba zakho. So ezinye zezinto lezi engicabanga ukuthi ziyenzeka uma ukuthi ukhule kwi-environment la ubaba esuke engekho, uzuthola ungenayo i-balance, uzithola ungenayo lento ukuthi ukwazi ukuba ne-understanding ye-masculinity, yokwazi ukuhandlisha izinto ngendlela efanele with izinto uNkulunkulu asuke sekunike zona. Gcine sekubonga ukuthi umuntu ohlezi usoft, even ama-decisions making akho ayaba affected as well, because awubi nayo lento uku-understand i-role yakho njengomuntu wesilisa. Khumbula ngelinye ilanga ngibuye esontweni, khona lento omunye wabafana bami obeyijwayele ukuthi njalo uma edlala nabangani bakhe uma bengatholananga kahle asheshe agijima ayotshena umama ekhaya ukuthi nampa bengidlalisa kabi la. And omama because bayenza lento benothando benganakile kwesinye isikhathi, uthola ukuthi kuba lula ukuthi ababize abangani bengane yakhe abakhuze, hayi bo dlalani kahle nosibanibani, ningamdlalisi rafu, dlalani kahle, As umfana uyayidinga nje lento yokuba rough, uyayidinga lonto. Ngisalapho bonke abantu besilisa babelungu abakhulile mhlawumbe abako-50 engikhuluma nabo bonke bakhuluma ngalento lena babelungu bakhuluma lento ukuthi mabeqeda ngekhathi zabo bebethi mabeqeda umatikuletsheni kube nendawo la abayoseva khona kube ngazuthi izinto zobusosha abaseve khona kuthiwa phethu babebuya bevuthiwe benediscipline iningi labo lithi nje izinto indlela lento yemasculinity bayifunda lapho irespect idiscipline nokubathafu njengomuntu wesilisa izinto lezo bafethu that we cannot shy away from ingakho abanye abantu uzwe bethi thina saqhathwa nakuba abanye they take that to the extreme but we have to face it ukuthi ukuba out there nenkomo mfethu kuyakwazi ukwenza njengomuntu wesilisa ube nalento le yemasculinity engicabanga ukuthi isuke idingeka abelungu bona bebethola ngokuthi baye kwi-army but so ezinye zezinto ke lezo manje uthola ukuthi ingane zethu ayisakwazi ukuyithola le nto ngoba sekunama PlayStations nazo zonke izinto so gcine sekuba lula ukuba soft nakho ke futhi ungabi bikho kobaba kunawo umthelela so njalo lensizwe ihleze igijima izela ekhaya uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe ngihlele kwi-study mina ngiyafunda ngiyayizwa la isitshena uma wayo ukuthi abangani bami bangidlalisa kabi uma wayo babiza abangani bakhe hey dlalani kahle ningadlali kabi dlalani kahle ngibe nakho lokho ukuthi yazi lento kuzofanele ngiyicorrect yabo kanti ngelinye ilanga sibuye esontweni izokwenzeka bethi nje sisapaka imoto behle beyodlala nabangani babo samile thina kuma parking lot la ngaphandle egcekeni siyaxoxa hayi ibuye lensizwa lena isithi zokukhala la kuthina ukuthi abangani bayo bayishiya isifuna sibize abangani bayo manje futhi sibakhuze hayi bese ngiyamngenelela ke because bese sengi-aware ukuthi khona into kanjena enzekalayo angimtshene lo mfowethu ukuthi hayi insizwa kithi buyela back uyodlala mabekushiya nawe gijima hayi kubo abone ukuthi le nsizwa ongathi ihash angibesane atshena uma wakhe ukuthi mama ngizama ukugijima lapha and labantu bayangishiya kubo ngathi manje sifuna ukukhala qhubeke futhi ngingenelele ngiqinisizwe manje yabo ukuthi insizwa cela ubuyele back uyodlala manje yabo otherwise khona into engeke ibe mnandi ezokwehlela abone ukuthi hey lensizwa ongathi i-serious ngalento le agijima ayodlala into ebalekile ngalesi story ukuthi ngenkathi ngimxosha back ukuthi akagijima ayodlala ngibhizi ngiyaxoxana noma wakhe kodwa futhi nami ngiyabheka ukuthi ingabe lento engiyishilo kuyena uzokwazi ukuyenza into engingayisho ukuthi ngenkathi ebuyela back wakwazi ukuthi afike abashiya abangani bakhe ngoba manje wayekwazi ukugijima abashiye ngespeed but wayengekho aware ngobani i-environment yayinakho ukuthi imtotose la ungabe ikwazi ukurelease potential but because uba in the cage when uba ukhehla la icatshulwa khona ihlathi la itotoswa khona and then ingane eziningi zabantu besilisa ziyalimala ngaleyo ndlela because where they are supposed to thrive where they are supposed to show their mainly characters i-environment ayivumi environment wants to keep you on the lap i-environment ifuna ukufaka on the cage in the cage where ugcina usu-trapped ugcina usulento lena usongakwazi ukuthi urelease i-potential yakho and the reason why ngishare lesi story ukuthi sasenzeka kuyisonto but the fascinating thing ukuthi ngomsombuluko kwakukhona ama-competition asesikoleni engangingekho aware ngawo ogijima and lensizwa lena yayinenkinga nokugijima yayithola isiba u-number 1 the following day esikoleni yagijima yabadlula kwi-grade yayo ngenxa yokuthi ngakwazi ukurelease i-potential yakhe njengobaba obaba are there to release i-potential obaba are there with the tough love ukwazi ukurelease into the world having equipped you because a lot of us the reason why we struggle is because we've been released into the world with plastic swords we don't have real swords sikhule sitotoswa sikhule engekho umuntu wesilisa in our environment sikhule sinama-plastic swords sithi masidlala ngawo kuthi wow baba khehla and now you are out there in the real world you can't make it why because you've always been playing with plastic swords, but the world does not tolerate people with plastic swords. In fact, they don't last. Ufanje straight. So, uma ubaba, cela sikhumbule lezo zinto bafethu. Lezi zinto the importance of tough love. But ukhozi mfethu lithatha lento lena amachwane alo mfethu lindize nawo phezulu bese liyawa release mfethu liwa release phansi mfethu as if they're gonna crash. eluthi uma selizofika phansi mfethu ubone ukuthi okay usahluleka ukundiza limbambe mfethu abuye lambuyisele back esidlekeni. And as abantu besilisa, that's what we are designed to do in our families mfethu. You know, we are supposed to have uthando enganeni zethu, but kungabi uthando oluzolimaza ingane, ikakhulu izingane zabafana igcine sengasazanga ukuthi uchaza ukuthini ukuba umuntu wesilisa. You know, the ability mfethu ukuthi tough but ube nenhliziyo enhle. You know, the Jesus in the Bible kulabo abakholwayo njengathi is called the lion and the lamb. It looks like izinto ezithiwa ngathi they are in contradiction in nature, but this is one person, the lion and the lamb. And umuntu wesilisa, you're supposed to be the lamb and the lion as well. Ube umuntu ozovikela ifamily like ama-cubs, like amabhubesi edlala nama-cubs wawo, kodwa futhi abe soft around ama-cubs, but when it's in danger ifika, and then they show that thing yokuba protective and defensive for a family. So I think that's what we need to discuss bafethu kwamanje. Ukukhulisa ingane zabafana, singakhulisa ingane kaMa, sikhulisa umfana ozozazi ukuthi ubani. So I just thought I should share that bafethu namhlanje. And the next interaction I think will come 7 days from now. It's going to be over the weekend. And my next book is coming out, Bafethu, The Man Who Bends in the Storm. I'm going to be having my discussions as soon as that book is out. I'm going to be doing a Pretoria, Johannesburg, Durban, Stenger, Pietermaritzburg. If kukhona indawo ofisa ngivakashele kule ma-Brian Dialogue, guys, let us interact ngabo WhatsApp. Inamba yami uzoyithola kwipage lami lika Facebook. Thulani uyeye ugumede. Let us interact bafethu. I want to visit indawo eningi where I'll be distributing this book, sishaye inyama, and talk about issues that matter. As I was saying yesterday, I had an interview on Ukhozi, but after that interview, more than 10 guys were calling me saying they are suicidal. Some were thanking me for opening up and making them feel normal about whatever that they are going through. So God is love, bafethu. And if I don't reply to your messages, please rest assured that I will get to them. Guys, I have a 9 to 12. I'm a 9 to 5 ngiyasebenza. So during the day, I don't touch my phone in terms of our Facebook. I can only do these things after working hours or on weekends. So God is love, bafethu. Let us interact. Thank you so much. Food for thought.